A question I'm really commonly asked at the moment is, how do I develop my limb independence? I'm not going to give you an exercise here. I'm actually going to give you a piece of advice. Slow down! Slow down! And I know you're probably saying to me, but I am slowing down. You're not slowing down enough, or you're not slowing down for long enough. Allow me to explain. You need to play or practice what you're trying to learn or develop so slowly that you cannot physically get it wrong. That does not matter how slow that is. That could literally be 1. What happens next? This. What happens next? This. And then this happens. This. Fantastic. That's how slow you want to go. And some of you might even go that slow, which is fantastic. You're halfway there. But the mistake that every human being is going to make is that we then speed things up too quickly and then we're like, oh, I just can't do it. Nope. Nope. You've got to speed this thing up very incrementally, which is so dull. But you got to do it, because otherwise it won't click correctly. You'll just jump ahead and your brain will revert back to the thing that it thought was correct and it isn't correct. It's just a whole hot mess. So what I recommend you do is play so slowly you can't get it wrong, and then find a tempo that is just about slow enough that you can play it right. And once it's there, you can start to nudge it up in 5 BPM increments. It's what I recommend. Even less than that if you want. So just sit with it, get in a really meditative state. If you've seen my video on meditating with drums, this is a very similar process. See if you can relax into it and try not to overthink it. And hopefully that will solve a lot of your problems. It's not that you don't have the independence capabilities, you just gotta slow down. So there you have it. That's my answer.